Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind's Journey. What's going on, guys? Today I got a little quick project I want to do. I want to make a backdrop, a wall accent for when I'm filming. Okay, I really want something really nice and bright and Christmassy. So I'm trying to make something like a fireplace wall. And this is how I'm gonna do it. I have this sponge here. So I dip it in my paint, which is ruby red. And all I'm gonna do is just put it down just like this. Now remember, they don't have to be perfect because what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them in as I go. They don't have to be even because as you can see right now, mine is not. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to keep going. Like I said, this is for my Christmas backdrops. So when I'm doing my videotaping, I can have a really nice, cute wall. And just like that. Now what I would do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in, some of the white with a paintbrush. So just like that. And so then I'll take it and just dip it back in the paint and take some of it off. Just make sure you get the whole sponge. Just like that. And guys, you could do the same thing on your wall if you want to. Just get some paint and you can do the same thing. Now, I'm going to start, just keep going down. I'm going to try to, I was told once it dry, you can go back over it, put the sponge in the same spot and do it that way. Hey, that might work. So let's just see. Just like that. And I think it looks kind of cute with that red, that white peeking through there, to be honest with you. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna continue until I finish. But yeah, this is ruby red, and that is a Dollar Tree poster board. Just keep your distance, in between. Don't put it on top of each other like I'm doing. I'm making a mistake there, but just don't put it on top of each other. Just leave yourself some wiggle room. And this can go on the wall, or this can be something that you work on top of with your projects, because it's so cute. Now we can always go by a backdrop. We can order them, you know, but I'm into saving money any kind of way I can, and this is a way for me to have a really nice background to take pictures, to videotape, and yeah, and it don't cost that much. You can literally take a poster board and put curtains in the background. That'll be nice. I'm just gonna move this out a little bit. And you guys already know how I feel about my red and white. It pops when it comes to taking pictures. I don't care if it's ruby red, I don't care if it's dark red, I don't care if it's red. It is going to pop when you take pictures, and that's one of the reasons why I love this red and white theme thing. It really does something. Now I did have red, but I chose this ruby red because it do a lot of standing out. And yeah, it looks so cool. I'm going to go back in with a brush and just do a little bit of cleaning up, not too much. Okay guys, so now that I have you back and I finished my whole board, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and just try to cover in some of the white spots, just some of them, because I like the way some of them are peeking through. So I'm not going to waste too much time on that, but I am going to cover in just a little bit. But guys, this is a cute backdrop. I like it. I really do. And this is the same technique people use when they're trying to do fake fireplaces or concept. But I like that. So I'm not going to go over too much more of this. But what I can tell you guys, if you try this, try it and just have fun with it. You know, like I said, this is going to be a backdrop for my Christmas thing. This is what you'll see in all my videos around the holidays. So again, all I'm doing is filling in some of the white spaces. Just some. Because I like when some of them peek through. So that's what it is. I'm going to bring you in and give you guys a closer shot. But that's what we got. I was going to take the a brush and go in. But then it's going to... I don't want it to... like to fill in all of the spaces, so I'm just going to leave it as is, just like this guy, all the way to the end. This is just one poster board, and this is what it looks like, guys. So guys, you tell me what you think. Will you do something like this? And it'll just be on my wall just like this as a backdrop, nothing else. Cool, cute idea. I like it. And there you have it. So guys, if you would try something like this, or you like something like this, please tell me in the comment, because my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting, and this is just something that I'm going to use. If you guys are thinking about using something like this, I want to know about it. Simple, quick, and easy. And the same technique can be used for other projects or a wall in your house. You could use something like this to do the same thing. All you need is a sponge. This is my GoDaddy sponge. I don't know why I chose this one, because now I'm mad. But yeah, you can just use a sponge and just go to work. Just have fun, guys. It's all about fun. Crafting is all about fun. Experiment. You know, experiment on your projects and see what you come out with. And something like this is cool. I like it. So guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey. Have a pleasant day. Subscribe and come back, guys, because we got something for you. Okay, guys, so here it is, and this is what we're going to be using for our backdrop and for the rest of the holiday season. Now, I might be a little too busy, so everything that I'm going to do, I'm going to try to have something white right next to it, you know, where it's that I'm working on. So if you happen to go up, you know, it won't be too busy. But this is what we're working with right here. Again, you can do your walls like this. You can do poster board. You can do cardboard and just have fun. Just be creative and have fun. That's what it's all about.